Today we are going to show you Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemical Limited chart analysis. Okay, that is 19th April 2021, guys. Here is the chart. You can see this is the one-day chart. Each candle represent one candle. That is, each candle represent one day. You can see here. Here is the clear-cut indication that the stock will go up as the volume has been increased, and here the MACD also showing the bullish signal, and here the RSI is 56. You can see the pivot, the resistance has been broken, that is 89.57, and the day candle has been closed above the resistance, that is at 90.90. The stock can move up to 95 or maybe above also. 99 is the day resistance. May it have a chance to go up. You can see here the price is been broken, resistance has been broken here. It may reach up to its previous resistance here, so it may reach up to 95 also, or above 95 also if possible. If the volume has been increased rapidly by the buyers are being ready for buying, then it will definitely go up. So you can see it may go up to 99 or at least 95, I think so, in one day chart. In 15 minutes chart, you can see here also clear cut indication that it has been bullish. It is about to bullish, not about to bullish. It is already has been bullish since 4th April, that is 13th April. You can see here stock is very low here. It may reach up to, it may break the 92 resistance also in the 15 minute chart. If volume increased and the buyers also increased, then it definitely break the 92.40 also. You can see the RSI is 72. Here the volume also increased rapidly. Here the MACD signal is not given. It may give the signal in 15 minutes chart. You can see it's uptrend in the 15 minutes chart, but think before proceeding. Here is the parabolic SAR is showing up. It may go up at least 1% or above also. In 5 minutes chart, here also bullish. You can see the resistance is at 92.14. That may also break easily if volume increased. Here RSI 72. Here the MACD has been given the indication. The parabolics are also up. In 1 minute chart, you can see the MACD is about to cut and the volume also increased. The MACD has been clearly cut also here. 1 minute chart, the volume increased and here decreased small. It may up. The next resistance is 92.40 here also. It may up by breaking that. You can see here clearly. Here MACD gave the clear cut up indication here below. You can see here it's showing up here also on the 1 day chart. The 50-day, that is the EMA is cut here, so it may up to 99, may 95 also. You can make up. So before you trade, you first check this chart. Whatever you think, analyze the chart and think and trade if this goes up. Okay, you must know the basic knowledge where to enter and where to exit the trades. I am not responsible for anything. Okay, so first you cross check all the chart, whether it will go up or down, and then take yourself a decision whether to buy or not. Okay.